What's up, guys? Yes, I still have my Christmas decor up. Anyway, guys, as you see, this is not a DIY video. I am literally just getting over the flu, and I just got my voice back. So I do apologize. I did not want to start off the year not having a DIY, but it is what it is. But I did want to show y'all, of course, my new channel name, which of course is Crafty DIYs. What I want to say, I feel is more appropriate to my channel content, as well as I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I'm still out of it, guys. But I have a new intro, as you saw before you saw my awesome face. So new DIYs for sure is coming, and of course home decor projects, so on and so forth. I have a lot in store for you guys this year, and I cannot wait to share with you. So once I'm 100% better, guys, I'm going to bring it. Trust and believe, I'm going to bring it. I hope this is one of the best years so far. And I want more of y'all input of how to make this channel better, because it's not just my channel, it's y'all channels too. And I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for all y'all support, all y'all love, all y'all comments. Regardless if you give me a thumb up or a thumb down, I thank you, because I mean you watched it and your view probably did still count. So thank you. And just, if you haven't already, I know I normally wait till at the end of the video, but if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You will not be disappointed. Now you probably like, Trick, according to this video, I already know, I know. But I promise you, these type of videos gonna be far and few in between, or however that saying goes. So you don't have to worry about that. But I for sure want to say thank you, guys. I reached 4,000 subscribers today, and I am grateful for each and every 4,000 and more to come, I know. And I thank you guys for that. So let's do it big this year, guys, and every year that follows. I pray that this year's a super duper blessing for each and every one of you guys and your families. Stay motivated, stay positive, and just keep moving forward and never looking backward. Y'all, we got this. Okay? We got this. So, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook it over the thumbs up. And what? I'll see you guys next Friday. Deuces.